Okay, man, I was so excited about getting here. I just set out about and getting camp set up. I just got the tent up and I thought, wait a minute, I haven't done a video clip from here yet. Well, usually I do it right when I first arrive before I've done anything, but I was such an, so excited to be here to get everything set up. So, anyways, I am starting to get the camp set up now. All right, there we go. And yes, this is the Sturgis 2021 motorcycle rally. The first video of the playlist that's going to be the Sturgis 2021 motorcycle rally playlist for this year. And yeah, the thing, yeah, what was I going to say now? I totally forgot. Okay, it is one day before the rally. The official start of the rally starts tomorrow. So, and I have some ideas what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but it pretty much what I think I'm going to do. Oh, well, we'll see. Okay, I'm going to finish setting up camp, and then we'll talk to you later. Where is he? Oh. Okay, I just had a B-1 bomber fly over. Welcome to Sturgis. Oh, okay. I believe I've got everything set now. Went to the grocery store, got all my groceries. I should be pretty much set for the week now. I got the cooler filled up. So it's coming on to 5:30 now, so I'm pretty close to I'm going to start having supper. Pretty darn hungry. I didn't have lunch today, only had breakfast. So there we go. I am all set for the Sturgis 2021 motorcycle rally. Happy about that. Right now it's really nice out. Got a nice cool breeze blowing through. Nice. Okay, now you may have noticed at the beginning of the video that I did not start out to where I usually start from. You know, usually I start in Minnesota. I go to the Badlands and then to Sturgis. And you'll notice this morning I did not start at Badlands. I actually started in Hardin, Montana, because before here, I went out to Yellowstone and also the Grand Teton National Park, and then over to Hardin to the Little Bighorn National Battlefield. So I came, so I was there, and I came to Sturgis from there. So I'm kind of doing things differently this year. And for as far as posting videos, I'm going to be posting the Sturgis videos first. So this is going to be the first time I'm not posting videos, you know, in order of they were as in chronological order. So because the Sturgis videos, it's best to get them out sooner, you know, closest to the rally, because like the first month or so is when they have a tendency to get the Sturgis videos get a lot more views. And then as time gets further away from the actual rally, it kind of there's less interest, you know. But anyways, so I'll be posting the Yellowstone and Grand Teton trips after I've completed uploading all the Sturgis videos. So, and then also, of course, after Sturgis, I'm going to the Badlands, so it's kind of reversed. So, yeah, the reason I'm doing that is this is the 5-year anniversary of my YouTube channel, and I took 5 trips in 2016, and I'm basically redoing them as anniversary trips, you know. Kind of thought that would be fun for this year. So that's what's up with that. And I think I am going to post the Badland video right after the Sturgis ones, just keep that continuity, and then the Yellowstone. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Okay, so that's about it for now. I'm gonna get set for supper here, and kind of tell you the plans for tomorrow. So, okay, talk to you later. There we go, deer. There's several of them over there. The grass is kind of obscuring them though. Ah, so nice to be back. Gonna be cooking up some brats pretty soon, as soon as I get the water ready. I'm all set. Come on, hurry up. Of course, it being windy doesn't help either. Okay, let's take one last look at the deer out here. I think we got like 4 of them right here. Take a, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there. Let's see. Oh, there's some more over there. We got 1, 2, maybe, yeah, 3 more over there. So at least 7. Oh man, look at that. Okay, camera. Oh, let's see if we got like that. That's a nice. How about it? Yeah, and he's the one that takes off. Wow. Nice. Okay. All right. There's some more over here, I guess. So there's 2 of them over there, I think. Oh, there's 3 over there. So, oh, there's a little. I think there's a little fawn with that one. Okay, so man, oh my, that was a lot of deer out there. It's got to be like 10 or 11 at least. Okay. All right, let's take and wrap this video up. And yeah, oh yeah, I was going to tell you my plans for tomorrow. I'm going to go to Deadwood and then Main Street, Sturgis. That's for the first day of the rally. So I'm looking forward to that. The first day is always something special, always something fun. So, okay. Well, once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.